There are few moments where I was very happy in the past 5 years. One is my marriage. The next would be my son's birth, when I have seen him for the first time. And then when I have received an offer from Flipkart, I can't explain you that happiness. Such a great feeling to be at one of the prestigious companies in India. I have completed my graduation in 2012. After my graduation, started preparing for UPSC. It's only 1,000 in 20 lakh applicants who will get selected for UPSC. My take on UPSC is not everything. In 2017, my father had to undergo bypass surgery, so that's the reason I had to take up a job. During this period, I have seen the potential of starting a catering business for MNCs. We have to serve the lunch at 12:30. Till 12 p.m. cook hasn't come. We were just chopping the vegetables and somehow we have managed to serve the lunch that day. Unfortunately, we were not able to make much money. At the same point, I got an opportunity to work as a software engineer for a firm called Hexamap Solutions in Hyderabad. 1 year into Hexamap Solutions, I came across Scaler's masterclass. I got to see Anshuman's video on why Scaler and what is Scaler.
All at Scaler Academy committed to make learning happen at the highest quality.
That's when I have understood what is Anshuman's vision and I have registered myself. 3 months into my Scaler's journey, I was pregnant and I used to work 8 hours as a full-time employee and then had to take this while being pregnant, and it was just me and my husband at home. Without him, I don't think so that I would be able to finish it. The day I got my offer letter, it was like a dream come true. When I was entering Flipkart's building, I got a sense of accomplishment. Yes, we fail, but we don't have to stop there. Always have to find our strength and invest in it. When I have started Scaler, it's not that I have lots of money, nor time, nor energy. It's just my skill set that has put me there. This is Prathyusha Mannem. I'm a product solution engineer too at Flipkart. This is my story.